Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In my previous video, we have already discussed about types of plant. Now, in today's video, we will discuss about roots. What are roots, function of roots and its type. So let's start with what is root. रूट प्लांट का वो पार्ट है जो अंडरग्राउंड डेवलप होता है मीन्स जमीन के नीचे और प्लांट को सॉइल में फॉर्मली होल्ड करके रखता है. And what are the common characteristics of root? Root is a descending portion of the plant axis. Root is non-green in color. In most cases, roots are non-green in color. Root does not possess nodes, internodes and buds. अगर हम स्टेम और रूट को कंपेयर करें तो इनमें जो एक मेन डिफरेंस होता है वो ये है कि स्टेम में नोड्स और इंटरनोड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं लेकिन रूट में ये प्रेजेंट नहीं होते हैं. इसका एक एक्सेप्शन भी है और वो है स्वीट पोटैटो जिसको हम हिंदी में शकरकंद बोलते हैं. यहाँ पर रूट्स में बर्ड्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं जो उसे वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन में हेल्प करती हैं. रूट बेयर्स रूट हेयर और रूट हेयर सॉइल से वाटर और मिनरल्स को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. इट इज पॉजिटिवली जियोट्रॉपिक एंड नेगेटिवली फोटोट्रॉपिक इन नेचर. पॉजिटिवली जियोट्रॉपिक मीन्स रूट की जो ग्रोथ है वो ग्रेविटी के डायरेक्शन में होती है और नेगेटिवली फोटोट्रॉपिक मीन्स ग्रोथ अवे फ्रॉम द लाइट. Let's discuss function of roots. The main function is anchorage of plant. Roots help to anchor the plant firmly into the ground. Second function is absorption of water and minerals. Roots help plants to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, which are essential for their survival. And in this process, root hairs that are small thread-like structures play an important role. Third function is storage of food. Storage roots in plants like carrot and turnip are modified to store starch and water. Storage roots are mostly fleshy roots. Then next is vegetative propagation. In sweet potato, roots bear adventitious buds and take part in vegetative propagation. And the last function is roots prevent soil erosion. Roots bind the soil particles together and help to prevent soil erosion. Next, we will discuss types of roots. Before starting types of root, let's first discuss how do root in plants develop. In most cases, root originates from radicle of the embryo and prolongation of radicle give rise to primary root. To understand what is radicle, let's discuss parts of a seed. A seed has three parts. First, seed coat that covers and protects the seed. Second, embryo. Embryo is the tiny plant protected by the seed coat. Embryo consists of plumule and radicle. Plumule gives rise to shoot and radicle gives rise to root. The third part of seed is cotyledon, which acts as a source of food for growing embryo. Now let's discuss types of root system. Roots along with its branches is known as the root system. All roots have similar functions. However, their origin structure varies. Hence, based on these criteria, plants have three types of root system: taproot system, fibrous root system and adventitious root system. First, we will discuss taproot system. Taproot system develops from radicle of the germinating seed. Here, primary root remains throughout the life of the plant. In taproot system, there is one main root that grows down vertically. You can see over here, from which many lateral roots arise. Taproot system provide a very strong anchorage to the plant, and these plants are difficult to uproot. The reason for this strong support is that they penetrate deep into the soil. Taproot system mostly seen in dicots. Example, mango, gram and pea. Let's take an example. This is a mango plant which has a taproot system, and a taproot system has a main root that grows down vertically and penetrate deep into the soil. From main root many smaller roots arise called secondary roots जो कि further tertiary roots को produce करेंगी. Next is fibrous root system. In fibrous root system, primary root is short-lived and replaced by numerous fiber-like roots which grow from the base of the stem. अगर हम structure की बात करें तो fibrous roots are present in the form of clusters of similar sized roots. Fibrous root system does not provide strong anchorage to the plant as they do not penetrate deep into the soil. But fibrous root system is located closer to the soil surface and form a dense network of roots, so it helps to prevent soil erosion. Fibrous root system mostly present in monocots, example wheat, grasses and onion. Fibrous root system consists of group of roots of similar size and length, and these are moderately branching roots growing from the base of the stem. The last one is adventitious root system. Adventitious root system develops from any part of the plant body other than the radicle. It is present in dicots and monocots. Example of adventitious roots are prop roots. Prop roots are very eye-catching roots and are found in banyan tree. And silt roots. Silt roots are found in both maize and sugarcane. Climbing roots are also adventitious roots. Let's take an example. Please look over here. These are adventitious roots of money plant जो कि stem के node से grow हो रही हैं, and we have already discussed roots that arise from any part of the plant other than the radicle are called adventitious roots. Let's compare all the three types of root system. Taproot system develops from radicle. Fibrous root system develops from base of the stem. Adventitious root system develops from any part of the plant other than radicle. In taproot system, primary root persists. In fibrous root system, primary root short-lived, and in adventitious root system, primary root is absent. Taproot system mostly seen in dicots, fibrous root system mostly seen in monocots, and adventitious root system found in both dicots and monocots. I hope what are roots, characteristics of root, function of roots, and type of roots are clear to you all. Thanks for watching and take care.